What's up, gorgeous people? This is Amber's DIY and other stuff. My name is Amber Meeks, and in today's video, I have what I think is my April mini mystery bag of awesome. So this one kept getting stopped or suspended because I had a card that I was using for this account that got compromised. So I changed the card, but I think when I changed the card, I didn't save it to my default payment. So I think they were still trying to pull from the old card. That's why I kept getting suspended. That's why I haven't had this bag for you guys, but hopefully I've corrected everything and we won't have any more trouble going forward. So without further ado, let's see what super fun things I got in this bag. Okay guys, so here's my bag, and I just like cut my address off and I kind of slit into there, but I wanted you to see their logo, even though it's, you know, upside down, which is awesome. But you always see this logo on the outside of their little bag here, and that's how you know that you're getting your mini mystery bag of awesome. All right, so I'm going to take a look here, and the first thing is this word search, and I actually missed these, you guys. I like doing these every single month with my son and everything. So you get like a word search, and then you get some other activities, and this time they're all spring related, and they're super fun to do each and every single month with my son. So I do enjoy that part of the bag. Okay, so let's dig into the first item I'm grabbing here. Oh, glow in the dark shining stars. So these are very cool, and I did get something very similar to this in one of my other mini mystery bags of awesome. So I will put these on my son's ceiling, and I'm sure that he will enjoy them. I think that's where I was going to put the other ones, but you know what? I honestly don't know where those ended up. So we'll put these ones on his ceiling, and hopefully that'll work out well for me. What's this? Ooh, what's this? Oh, it's a Tetris cookie cutter set. Now, most people don't get excited about stuff like that. Dude, I'm super pumped. Oh my gosh, how fun is that? Oh, I love it. That is awesome. So I might not use them necessarily as cookie cutters. I'm going to show you the back so you can see what it looks like back here. I might use them in some DIYs. Oh my gosh, my head is spinning right now. Now, this to me is pretty awesome. I'm just saying. Wow, that's super exciting. I know most people are like, I wouldn't want that. I want that. Okay, you usually get 3 items, just so you guys know. And the last item in here is Spa Scriptions Glacier Water and Collagen Glycolic Acid. Oh, it's a firming eye cream. All that to get to a firming eye cream. Okay, guys, here you go. So that's what this one is. This Spa Scriptions company must really be trying to push their products with the mini mystery bag of awesome, because I also kept getting their makeup wipes, which I quite liked. So I'm actually looking forward to giving this a try. I'm going to keep this for myself and give it a try. Guys, I think that was a pretty awesome bag. I'm super excited about those Tetris cookie cutters, I'm just saying. All right, for those of you who might be interested in the mystery bag of awesome, I will have a link in my description box below. And just so you guys know, if you want to go ahead and jump over to that Daily Deal website, there is an option where you can sign up for their daily text, and they send you a text message with whatever the deal of the day is. And honestly, guys, I've been getting some pretty cool stuff at some pretty awesome prices from those text messages every single day. If you have a spending habit, I highly suggest you don't do that. But yeah, I love it. So I'm going to keep doing it. And I do have a spending habit. I'm just saying. But nonetheless, that is super fun also to do. So just make sure you jump over to that Daily Deal website, check out all the fun things they have going on, and see if any of it is of interest to you. All right, guys, that's all I got for you in this video, and I'll catch you in my next one. Bye! Without further ado, let's see what super fun things I got this time. Ba, ba, ba! I messed it up at the very end because I wanted to say something else, and like my mouth was saying something else. Just try it again. Oh no!